Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com. Let me show you trades taken so far in this week, Monday and Tuesday. Right? In this week means week started on 15. So all the trades taken, almost like 17, 18. So let's go take a look one by one. This is Bitcoin. Even on Sunday, it went up from here to here. And my system using this robot, CTS5, right? Automated trading robot, it took this trade and all the way from 58,567 to 60,109. And this is buy orders right there. SL move to break even. Plus, every single trade you're going to see is according to my system setup, which has like 4 or 5 different conditions. So all conditions have to be met before this robot open the trade. So the next trade you can see pound Aussie on 14th Sunday at it was okay, not Sunday, Monday, 100 pip for 100 pip, and then this is 15th. On the 15th, BTC means Bitcoin again. Buy orders right there, and it is from here to here. This one, the next trade, you can see Bitcoin again. That was from here to here, and this is from here. Look at that, beautiful, right? Big trade from the higher time frame. Now, these are the candles that I'm using are called Renko candles mixed with something else. And the beauty about these candles is that it's you don't have too much noise in there. Like big wicks, spikes and all of that you have in regular candlesticks. So making an EA out of this is much easier because EA always look for those highs and those, and a spike always mess things up, right? So in these candles, you can see that there is no spike. So making an EA out of that is very, very easy. And they're working very good. Now, this next trade is Bitcoin again from here to here. Beautiful entry and all the way to the upside. That's Monday. Tuesday, gold from 150 bucks size. It is like 15-minute chart, right? So look from here, the entry, and all the way to the upside from here to here. A lot of gold trade this week so far. EUR-AUD 7-minute chart, 110 pip from here all the way there. On 16, pound Aussie also went up because Aussie was getting weaker, right? So, and they're both going to drop. Today is Wednesday, Thursday, they're going to drop. Okay, now gold from higher time frame, 400 bucks size. This is buy orders right there, and from here to here, 24.35 to 24.60, right? This is all the trades you can see. They are still alive by the time I took these screenshots, right? So they were on the chart. This one from here, 24.42 to 24.60 from 150 box size. And then this is same area taking from the other time frame, 200 box size, and 24.42 to 24.68. I just wanted to show my group that you can take these entries from different like 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart or 30-minute chart or 4-hour chart. I took entries from all these charts using these type of candles, and they all went up big time, right? And this one gold from 150 again from 24.60 to 24.75. And the last but not the least is the Bitcoin chart. And Bitcoin trade from this 63,611 to 65,906. Buy orders right there, and it is on 16. Today is 17 morning, and I had almost several trades here. Let me see. Here, see. So today is 17th. The yen pairs move, all of them, right? So look at these yen. Yen start to get strong, and all yen pair went down. So Aussie yen, this is the trade from here to here for 110 pip. Now pound yen dropping on today on 17 for 110 pip. Euro yen dropping from here to here for 100 pip. Again, Aussie yen from 7-minute chart dropped for 110 pip. CAD yen, same drop for 90 pip. Just today, all of these. USD yen I missed because my EA was taken out and I forgot to put it back on. So I don't have it. But all yen pair went down, and this EA, this robot took entries in all yen pairs almost. New yen I don't trade, so I don't have it. Other than that, we have Aussie yen, CAD yen, Euro yen, pound yen, We all, all these yen pairs gave me the entries and almost like 400-500 pip in yen pairs only today, and all in front of you, right? Sell orders right there. SL move to break even plus, and everything is by the book, by the system. So if you, and then most of them, not all of them, but most of them, I post on the Telegram. I post the heads up, like what's happening is a gold 40-minute chart making a long, and this and that, right? And charts and setups and videos I post on my Telegram for my group to inform them and keep them informed so that they can take these trades as well. This is, see this gold trade, daily trade, the daily chart, right? Going to the upside, and this is before, this is after what happened. And I had like 5 or 6 trades yesterday, just going, gold going to the upside. Big one, right? So this is it. And if you like what you saw, you want to get the system, you want to be a part of my group and learn how do we trade like the way we do here, then you can come here on my website, creativetradingsystem.com. You have monthly subscription, one-on-one coaching if you need to learn from A to Z from scratch. And you can see the recent trades, all of them, last week, week before last week, the last year, all of that are here, right? Before and after charts as well. And then here you have my trading courses like Elliott Wave course and Harmonic course, very powerful courses. And there is another free course, Basic Trading 101, right? It's not free, it's 99 cents, right? For charity. So this is what it is. And you can just watch these videos. Very helpful. If you are new, they're going to be like this. It's going to be like a treasure to you if you are new in this business. Robots are here, CTS5, CTS Sniper, all of that. And you want to watch my recent videos, they are all here, right? So this is it for now. Hope to see you in my webinars, which I hold Wednesday and Sunday, 4 p.m. for my subscribers only. Okay, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.